In this video, I'm going to discuss and show what I've done to conduct research on event apps. I'll introduce you to cool tools for user experience and user interface research, and then share the notes that I've taken from all the research that I've done as part of me building an events app before the end of the year. I hope you enjoy the video. My first step is to try and speak with the business users of event apps. I've decided to reach out to event organizers and promoters within my own network to hear from their experiences and some of the issues that they have faced with using event apps in the past. This is an important step in the process. Hearing from the first-hand experiences of the users who pay for similar types of apps and trying to understand what their reasons are for choosing the products that they use now. Of the people I spoke to, all of them have one thing in common, and that is the fact that they want to use an events app that is easy and secure when it comes to withdrawing the earnings from the platform. Since that was pointed out to us by actual paying customers, this holds a lot of weight. And now we have to ensure that our app can solve this problem better or just as good as the competitors. The second step in my research is to take a look at event products that are already in the market. I have compiled a list of event products, and you can see them on screen. I've categorized them by local, regional, and global. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through maybe about 3 of these. I compiled this list by asking people from different Caribbean countries what are the products that they use for events, and how are they kind of distributed. And the second one is mainly through Google searches, and you can find a lot of different event apps, especially in your region, through doing a Google search and niching it down to wherever you're from. So I'm gonna put this on a time lapse and maybe go through about 3 of them, take some notes, and you can see the entire process of what I do. What I'll do is I will leave a link to the research notes in the description so that you can check those out if you want to. So into the time lapse. Great. I've had a look at some of the main products, but now I want to introduce you to a few tools that I use to do research for UI and UX of apps. They are Mobbin and UXArchive. These tools offer you a collection of real-world app designs. You can study the flows that apps use to guide users through different actions of intent, or just to get inspiration for your own app designs. Since the local and regional apps that I went through were not part of their libraries, I had to do it on my own. But for apps like Eventbrite, SeatGeek, and Dice, I did use them to do the research. They save you a lot of time on UI and UX research parts of the process. So, with all of that said, thanks again for watching this video all the way through to the end. I hope you found the content in this video useful. To access the research notes that I've taken, you can check the link in the description. If you liked anything about the video, be sure to like it and subscribe to the channel to follow along the journey of building the event app. I'll see you next week where I build out the brand for Beanie, and thanks again for watching.